how to make money with MGID Ad Network. Hello guys, and welcome to our channel. Welcome to World of Apps. For this video, we will discuss about MGID and how this advertising network works. Some pros and cons, some things about their conditions, payments, and many more important subjects about them. So first of all, we will have to go on their website. As you can see, here we are on their website, and first of all, I think you may wonder, what is MGID? Well, this is a native advertising ecosystem. It was launched back in 2008. The headquarters of MGID is located at Santa Monica, California, USA, with multiple national and also international offices across the USA, Europe, and Asia Pacific. How it works? To start, users have to register as publishers, put their website with a relevant category, and get approved as publisher. They just have to put advert codes on the approved website as they like. Ads and formats. MGID provides all types of native, display, and video adverts campaign formats like smart, sidebar, header, under, in article. Publishers have full control on the content and placement of the ads. Popular verticals are technology, e-commerce, nutraceutical, gaming, and also casino. The primary language for this platform is English, but MGID is a global platform. It accepts more than 70 languages. This helps multilingual publishers to monetize their non-English website. MGID accepts traffic from over 200 countries worldwide. This provided over 850 million global impressions every month. MGID supports widget-based and cost per click, which is CPC, traffic exchange. MGID is suitable both for desktop and mobile web traffic. Most of its traffic comes from mobile advertising. Their conditions: website must have traffic of 3K daily or 90K monthly. Website must not have any material content linked to restricted website. And also the restrictions like all adult, fraud, illegal, streaming, torrent, and low-value websites are not accepted. And now some things about their revenue. With MGID ads, a publisher is able to monetize his or her website. Native ads are always able to attract users to click and also able to pass the ad blocks because they seem like part of the website. The publisher will earn revenue for every unique click on the published ads according to the information from the official website. MGID have a beneficial referral program. However, there is no information in the entire network about the referral commission and other benefits. MGID provides 24/7 technical support. It also provides educational information via webinars, blog, case studies, knowledge-based articles. MGID also have its own IT academy based in Kiev, Ukraine. However, academy's information is only available in Russian. MGID is governed by the laws of the US, especially California, and all jurisdictions come under federal courts in the county of Los Angeles, California. Anyone or anything that is barred or restricted by US law is barred and restricted from this platform. MGID supports limited but popular methods of payments like bank wire, web money, and PayPal. All payments are issued in 30 days frequency and the minimum withdrawal is $50. And now let's go ahead and check out their website here. If we go to the main page, you will see that you can create an account in the right top corner or log in. You can select your language. And here they have 850 million plus unique visitors monthly and over 185 billion content recommendations monthly. And now let's go ahead to advertisers. If you want to get started, just click here. They claim to have over 200 countries around the world, 70 plus supported languages, 32k content website, 100k plus new campaigns annually. And here are the benefits to native advertising. Never intrusive, you can avoid banner blindness and with that serving relevant content for your users' interest. You should have truly organic placements. You can stand out by blending in and higher click rates. For advertisers, they have highly targeted branded content distribution to individual needs of the audience at every stage of your consumer. And as a publisher, they have a cross-format yield optimization between display and native and also video within one placement. As the audience growth and retention, they have international and external content which increases visitor numbers and strengthens the audience size. They have partnership with International Business Time, Medical Daily, Opera, Metro, Newsweek, Cover Fox. So as you can see, it's a really big advertising network. If you want to check it out and learn more about it, you should go on their website here, make your research before starting working with them. Here is why you should choose MGID. They have 100% transparency, full control of placements and ad content, best RPMs with international brands and also with local brands. They have adaptable ad formats to connect with the real audience interests, robust analytics and optimization to exceed your KPIs, 100% fill rate with direct and programmatic demand in native, video and display, and also enhanced user experience and quality and brand safe ad content. So guys, I hope this video was useful. If it was, you can like it, you can subscribe to the channel for more videos like this one and turn on the notification bell because I will post some other ways of how you can make money online on this channel right here. And comment in the comment section down below with your questions, with your thoughts, and what do you think about this advertising network. Thank you so much for watching guys. Have a great day. Bye bye.